Glow instantly and brighten over time with Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops.
The product that lives in both your skincare and makeup routine.
Plus, it helps fade hyperpigmentation with regular use.
Packed with
soothing antioxidant-rich watermelon, brightening niacinamide, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. Here's how to use the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops.
Use it as a skin brightening serum that makes you glow instantly and visibly fades hyperpigmentation over time.
After applying toner, apply 1 to 2 pumps of dewdrops all over. Don't forget to lock in the glow with moisturizer.
Use it as a makeup gripping primer. Apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine before makeup.
Mix it in with your foundation to create a dewy tinted moisturizer. Mix it in with your concealer for a sheer, glowy, lightweight coverage. Add it to your favorite blush or bronzer for a diffused, sun-kissed look. Apply it on the high points of your face for a natural, lit from within glow.
And it's ophthalmologist tested.
Dewdrops.
Dewdrops.
Dewdrops. My skin looks so glowy.